Welcome to the fascinating world of Etsy, an online marketplace bringing together creative minds and eager customers from all over the globe. Born out of a simple idea, Etsy has blossomed into an international platform where artisans, crafters, and vintage lovers can connect, sell, and buy unique items. It's a place where creativity thrives and dreams become reality. Imagine the potential. With low startup costs, Etsy provides an accessible platform for anyone looking to turn a passion into profit. The flexibility it offers is unparalleled, allowing you to work from anywhere at any time. And the best part? You're not just selling a product, you're sharing a part of yourself, your craft, with the world. For entrepreneurs in the USA, Etsy offers an exciting opportunity to tap into a vibrant and diverse market. It's more than just a business venture, it's a chance to be part of a global creative community. So, are you ready to dip your toes into the vibrant Etsy marketplace and start your own business? Let's dive in. Starting your Etsy business begins with setting up an account, a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. First, navigate to the Etsy homepage. Look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Register to start the process of creating your new account. The first step in account creation is choosing a unique username. This name will be your shop's identity on Etsy, so choose something that reflects your brand and is easily memorable. Make sure to check the availability of your chosen name as it needs to be unique across the entire Etsy platform. Next, you're going to provide an email address. It's essential to use an email that you check regularly, as Etsy will use it to send you important notifications about your shop and transactions. After entering your email, you'll need to set a strong password. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols can help ensure your account's security. Once you've entered your email and chosen a password, you'll need to agree to Etsy's terms of use. It's always a good idea to read these thoroughly to make sure you understand what's expected of you as a seller on their platform. These terms cover everything from your responsibilities as a seller to how disputes are handled. After agreeing to the terms of use, click on Register. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Etsy account. Now you're probably eager to start listing products and making sales. But hold on just a moment. Before you dive into the world of Etsy selling, there's a crucial step you must consider: forming an LLC. Why an LLC, you ask? Well, forming an LLC for your Etsy business can provide you with a range of benefits, from limiting your personal liability to offering tax advantages. It's a step that's not to be overlooked as you embark on your Etsy entrepreneurial journey. With your Etsy account set up, you're one step closer to launching your business. But before you start listing products, there's a crucial step to consider: forming an LLC. Forming an LLC for your Etsy business is not just a good idea, it's a smart business move. It provides protection and lends credibility to your venture. So, what exactly is an LLC? LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a type of business structure that combines the pass-through taxation of a partnership or sole proprietorship with the limited liability of a corporation. This means that the owners, also known as members, are not personally liable for the company's debts and lawsuits. Now, why form an LLC for your Etsy business? Well, there are several reasons. First, it protects your personal assets. If your business runs into financial trouble, your personal assets such as your home, personal bank accounts, and cars are protected from creditors. Second, an LLC can lend credibility to your business. Customers, suppliers, and partners may prefer to do business with an incorporated company. So how do you form an LLC? This is where Tailor Brands company comes in. They simplify the process, making it easy and convenient for you. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to form an LLC with Tailor Brands. First, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Be sure it's unique and not already in use by another company. Tailor Brands can help you with this. Next, file the Articles of Organization with the state where your business is located. This document outlines the basics of your business, including its name, purpose, and members. Then, create an operating agreement. This document sets out the rights and responsibilities of the members of the LLC. Lastly, obtain an EIN or Employer Identification Number from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business, and it's necessary for tax purposes. Tailor Brands company can guide you through each of these steps, ensuring that your LLC is set up correctly. With your LLC formed, your Etsy business is starting to take shape. But before you can start selling, there's one more legal step to take care of: obtaining an EIN. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a crucial element in legitimizing your business. It's essentially your business's social security number. Now that might sound daunting, but don't worry. It's just a 9-digit number that the IRS assigns to business entities for tax filing and reporting purposes. Why is an EIN necessary, you might ask? Well, having an EIN provides your business with a unique identity. It's used to open a business bank account, apply for business loans, and yes, it's needed to start an Etsy business in the United States. So how do you go about getting one? It's simpler than it sounds. The IRS has made it quite easy to apply for an EIN, and the best part? It's free. You can apply for an EIN online if your principal business is located in the United States or U.S. territories. The person applying must have a valid taxpayer identification number, such as a social security number. You can fill out the form in one session, as you cannot save and return at a later time. However, if paperwork and forms aren't your cup of tea, or if you'd rather focus on creating for your Etsy business, companies like Tailor Brands can help. They offer services to assist with the formation of your LLC and obtaining your EIN, making the process smoother and leaving you more time to focus on your passion. But remember, just like your social security number, your EIN is unique to your business, so keep it safe. Don't share it with anyone unless it's necessary for your business operations. And that's it. You now have your EIN. It's a significant step in your journey to becoming an Etsy entrepreneur. You've not only set up an Etsy account and formed an LLC, but you've also obtained your EIN. Now that you have your EIN, you're ready to start listing products on Etsy. So let's get to it, entrepreneurs. Let's create and inspire with our unique Etsy businesses. Listing your products on Etsy is where the real fun begins. This is your chance to showcase your creativity and attract customers. Firstly, let's talk about writing product descriptions. Your description should be detailed, clear, and engaging. Mention the product's features, the materials used, and any unique selling points. Keep in mind you're not just selling a product, you're selling a story, an experience. Use your description to connect with your potential customer. Make them feel as if they cannot live without your product. Next, we move on to taking high-quality photos. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and on Etsy, it's worth 1,000 sales. Your photos need to be clear, well-lit, and should showcase your product from various angles. Remember, your customers can't touch or feel your product, so your photos need to do the talking. Now let's set the prices. Pricing your products can be a tricky business. You need to consider the cost of materials, your time, and the market rates. Don't undervalue your work, but also remember to keep your prices competitive. A good tip is to browse similar products on Etsy to get an idea of the price range. Inventory management is the next step. Ensure you have a good system in place to track your inventory. There's nothing worse than selling a product that's out of stock. Etsy allows you to easily manage your inventory, so make good use of this feature. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on listing your products on Etsy. From writing compelling descriptions and capturing stunning photos, to setting the right prices and managing your inventory, each step is crucial in creating a successful Etsy business. With your products listed, you're officially an Etsy business owner. Congratulations! So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your Etsy business in the USA. We've walked through the process from the ground up, beginning with the creation of your Etsy account. That's where your journey starts, opening the door to a platform teeming with potential customers. Next, we discussed the importance of forming your LLC. We suggested using Tailor Brands Company, a reliable service that can help you navigate the complexities of setting up an LLC. Remember, this step protects your personal assets and lends credibility to your business. Then, we moved on to obtaining your EIN. This step is crucial for tax purposes, and again, Tailor Brands Company can assist you in this process. Finally, we delved into the exciting part, listing your products on Etsy. This is where your creativity shines, where you showcase your unique products to the world. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful Etsy entrepreneur. Good luck on your journey!